Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Mint Linux full guide. Boot from the USB installer and select your language and keyboard layout before proceeding to the installer. Choose installation type carefully, either alongside existing OS or replacing it, and set time zone. Create a user account with a strong password and enable encryption if you want added security. Reboot when prompted and remove the USB to load your new Mint system. Begin manual partitioning by shrinking or creating partitions with care and label them clearly for root, swap, and home if desired. Allocate at least 20 GB for root and proportionally more for personal files in /home to avoid future issues. For UEFI systems, ensure an EFI partition exists and is mounted correctly. Confirm changes and let the installer write partitions, then proceed with user creation and package installation steps. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like to support the channel and future Mint tutorials. Quick recommendation: I picked out a set of leak-proof meal prep containers that make lunch simple and spill-free, which I find handy during long install sessions. Check the description for the product link and other deals I mentioned, and if you grab them, it helps the channel. Now let's get back to the video. After first login, run updates right away with the Update Manager or sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade to ensure security and stability. Open Driver Manager to enable proprietary drivers for better graphics and wireless performance if needed, and configure Flatpak or Snap support if you use those apps. Finally, set up timeshift snapshots and scheduled backups to external media so you can recover quickly from mistakes or hardware failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.